Today, I stand before to speak on a topic that is most mysterious and powerful. Is the sound of silence. At first, it may sound confusing. Silence of a sound? How can silence have a sound? But if you listen closely, we will discover that silence speaks louder than noise. Silence, so simple, yet so powerful. It doesn't speak, yet it says everything. Have you ever heard the sound of silence? It's not just a feel of tears, the absence. It fills space when we stop talking, when the world pauses, when the silence is not speaks, but it says everything. It holds our fears, our dreams, our regrets, but don't know how it speaks. Have you ever thought what kind of silence? Silence is too much louder than noise. In silence, I discover my true self, not the filler for the world, but the real me. So the next time life gets too louder, please speak and listen to the sound of silence. Thank you.